Hindus are lathi charged. Despite the court order, they are not allowed. Despite the court order, they are not allowed to light the lamp, sir. Sir, my issue is, if there is the Stalin Sarkar, their court came down heavily. They slammed the Stalin Sarkar.
I have given
I would like to put it on record.
to your party
the
member
police
also.
is acting in this
I have
manner.
given an opportunity
Why the
to your
Hindus are
party
stopped?
member also.
Sir,
He was allowed to
Justice
raise.
G.R. Swaminathan did not mince words.
You can't
He
stop.
said the state
You
has
can't
shown.
stop.
I want to raise a very important issue where one state in India has become a symbol of anti-Sanatan Dharma. Their ministers are making statements. Against Sanatan Dharma. They objected when Prime Minister was doing his duty for the Ram temple. At that time, the temple doors were shut. People were forced to approach the court to reach the temple. Even now, sir, the Madurai bench of Madras High Court came down strongly on the Tamil Nadu government, accusing officials of deliberately ignoring its order on lighting the Kartikai Deepam lamp at the Madurai Thiruparankundaram temple. Sir, there are lathis for the devotees. Hindus are lathi charged. Despite the court order, they are not allowed. Despite the court order, they are not allowed to light the lamp, sir. Sir, my issue is, if there is the Stalin Sarkar, their court came down heavily. They slammed the Stalin Sarkar.
I have given
I would like to put it on record.
to your party
Why the
member
police
also.
is acting in this
I have
manner?
given an opportunity
Why the
to your
Hindus are
party
stopped?
member also.
Sir,
He was allowed to
Justice
raise.
G.R. Swaminathan did not mince words.
You can't
He
stop.
said the state
You
has
can't
shown
stop.
willful
Your member has
disobedience of
already
the
raised this
order,
issue. Now,
and contempt has been committed, sir.
If I have given a permission,
Sir, the order has been breached, sir. Sir, the order has been breached. The contempt has been committed. Sir, the issue is today, while the Ram temple issue came, or the Kartikai Deepam lamp at the Madurai Thiruparan Kundaram temple. Sir, why did not they allow the lighting of the
Sabha ki karwai
Most of our cities, major cities, are living under a blanket of poisonous air. Millions of children are getting lung disease. Their future is being destroyed. People are getting cancer. Older people are struggling to breathe. This is an interesting issue because I'm certain that there will be full agreement between the government and us on this issue. This is not a ideological issue. This is, everybody in this house would agree that air pollution, the damage it is doing to our people, is something that we would like to cooperate on. I think it's important that the government develops a plan for how to get rid of air pollution in our cities. We are more than happy to cooperate with the government on developing such a plan. There are not many issues these days that the government and the opposition, entire opposition, can agree on. And I think it's a very good idea that we have at least one.
You are rightly said, but during 0 hour,
let me finish.
I think so there is a time constraint. If you want to bring some resolution under any appropriate law, so the speaker will allow for a debate for the, I think,
Let me just
kindly make it brief.
Let me conclude.
Please.
So I think this is an issue where, everybody says government, opposition, fighting all the time. This is one issue where we can show the country that we can also plan and work together to solve something that is critical. I think the government should have a discussion in Parliament. We should all have a discussion in Parliament. And we should try and not make it a discussion where we are abusing you and you are abusing us. I think we should make it a discussion where we are participating, we are showing the country that on this fundamental issue there is agreement, and the best minds are going to be put into place to solve this issue.
Thank you.
I think it would be good if we have a discussion, detailed discussion, and then the Prime Minister puts in place a plan for each city, methodical, systematic plan on how within the next 5 or 10 years, maybe we cannot resolve the problem, but how we are going to impact the problem and make life for our people easier. Thank you, Speaker.
Shri Kiran Rijiju ji.
The Honorable Leader of the Opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, has made a statement in the form of suggestion. The member of the Congress party in the Business Advisory Committee had also raised this issue and some other parties, and from the government side also. And government from the day one had made our position very clear that on all important matters, government is ready to discuss and also to find out solutions, taking along the suggestions from all the members, including the principal opposition party led by Rahul Gandhi ji. So the matter was placed in the Business Advisory Committee as we had discussed about the election reforms, including the special intensive revision. Under the various laws, various rules, we will see how we will take up this discussion. But we will,
Please.
the matter was brought in the BSc, so
if
let us
he is
take
responding
this
on
back to BSc.
during 0 hour, so you can understand.
Government is ready to discuss.
No, you can understand. No, just wait.
Government is always prepared to have discussion under any rule, but only what the point I want to make is, since the matter was brought in the BSc, we will come back and let us see how we can structure the discussion into, and then we are ready to take up this matter.
Dhanyavad.
I think a good idea would be that we frame the discussion not on us saying what you have not done and not on you saying what we have not done, but simply saying that what are we going to do for the people in India in the future, what are the action steps that we need to take. So I would say that it would be an interesting experiment to see if, instead of you blaming us and we blaming you, we can try and say on this one issue where we agree, there's no disagreement, there we say, listen, let us just talk about the future of the people of
It is
India.
not a question of any blame game. I think so. Minister, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, you also responsible. Kindly, anybody wants to bring, so in any form of the resolution and in BSc will take decision under the leadership of Honorable Speaker. Zero. Shri Ashuddin Owaisi sir. Ashuddin Owaisi ji.
बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
अरे
मैं आपके जरिए से
संसदीय
हुकूमत से इस बात का मुतालबा करता हूँ
से अच्छा विषय उठाया,
कि
उसको रिस्पॉन्स
कौमी
किया उन्होंने।
अरबी
ऐसा
और
नहीं कोई
उर्दू की
रिस्पॉन्स।
जामिया
आपने
मुल्क के
भी ठीक कहा,
मुख्तलिफ
उन्होंने भी।
रियासतों में कायम
नहीं,
किया
बिल्कुल
जाए।
ठीक कहा।
मोहतरम चेयरमैन साहब, अरबी और उर्दू महज एक ज़बान नहीं है, बल्कि ये हमारी इस मुल्क एक अजीम तहजीबी विरसा भी है, और अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के 6 ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस में अरबी को माना गया, और ये हमारे एक सॉफ्ट पावर के लिए, हमारी एक तहजीबी डिप्लोमेसी में एक बहुत बड़ा रोल अदा करता है अरब दुनिया से ताल्लुक़ात को फ़रोग़ देने के लिए। दूसरी तरफ चेयरमैन साहब, उर्दू हमारे आज शेड्यूल में 22 ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस में उसको जगह दी गई है। ये ज़बान इस मुल्क में पैदा हुई है। इस ज़बान ने अंग्रेज़ों की आज़ादी के ख़िलाफ़ इनक़लाब ज़िंदाबाद का नारा दिया, बल्कि प्रेमचंद की किताब सोज़े वतन को अंग्रेज़ों ने उस पर पाबंदी लगाई थी, महज इसलिए कि उसमें मुल्क की हुब्बुल वतनी का जिक्र किया गया। सर, आप जानते हैं कि इस मुल्क में उर्दू बोलने वालों की तादाद कम हो रही है, इसीलिए मैं हुकूमत से इस बात का मुतालबा करता हूँ कि अरबी और उर्दू तालीम के फ़रोग़ के लिए मुल्क के मुख्तलिफ़ रियासतों में अच्छे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ एक जामिया को क़ायम किया जाए। और हुकूमत को ये समझना चाहिए, जानना भी चाहिए कि मेरे शहर हैदराबाद में 1918 में दायरतुल मारिफ ने अरबी को, भगवद गीता को संस्कृत में अरबी में तर्जुमा किया था, और अल-बिरूनी ने 11वीं सदी में उस वक्त चंद हिस्से महाभारत के अरबी में तर्जुमा किए थे। तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि तालीमी लिसानी इसको हम फ़रोग़ दे सकें। और सर, मैं अपनी बात को ख़त्म करता हूँ। आप उर्दू शायरी को जानते हैं कि जोश जोश ने उर्दू के बारे में शेर कहा था कि नदी का मोड़ चश्मे शीरी का ज़ेरो बम, चादर शबे नुजूम की शबनम का रुख्त नम, मोती की आब गुल की महक, मोती की आब गुल की महक, माह नौ का खम, इन सब के इम्तिजाज से पैदा हुई है तू, और कितने हसीन उफ़क़ से हुवेदा हुई है तू। लम्हा मिला है कि नमक खार हूँ तेरा, लम्हा मिला है लहजा मिला है कि नमक खार हूँ तेरा, और सोहबत ज़बान में है कि बीमार हूँ तेरा। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि हुकूमत इस बात पर गौर करेगी और हैदराबाद में जो मौलाना आज़ाद उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी है उसको भी तरक्की करेगी, उसका मौसर करेगी। बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
श्री प्रभाकर रेड्डी जी, प्रभाकर रेड्डी, बेमी रेड्डी जी।